Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of Paul Brooks TV. Specifically, it's the Dunwich Horror. We're going to unbox this new Blu-ray release from Arrow Video. Let me go grab some scissors and get this plastic off here and we will take a look. This is a movie that I have seen once, quite a while ago. Don't remember too much about it, but I mean, I love Dean Stockwell, in everything he's ever done. So, Quantum Leap, Battlestar Galactica, The Boy with the Green Hair, anything that Dean is in, I am on board for. And I really love this artwork, this new artwork that Arrow did for this Blu-ray release. It looks like this is, it's got a little bit of a glossy finish there, and then the cross and the title, there you go, also have a bit of gloss to it, and then everything around it is more of a matte finish. So that's got a nice look to it. Yeah, beautiful artwork here for this new release from Arrow Video, The Dunwich Horror. The Devil's Spawn is about to open the gates of hell. I do remember liking this the one time that I did see it, so I'm excited to check it out again. Taking a look at the back of the slipcover here, you can go ahead and read the description there if you would like to. I did notice that this is produced by Roger Corman. I had forgotten about that. Let's get into the special features here. New 2K restoration by Arrow Films from the original camera negative. High definition Blu-ray presentation. Original lossless mono audio. Optional English subtitles, new audio commentary by Guy Adams and Alexandra Benedict, creators of the audio drama Arkham County. The Door into Dunwich, a new conversation between film historian Stephen R. Bissett and horror author Stephen Laws, in which they discuss the Dunwich Horror, Lovecraft, and their memories of seeing the film on release. After Summer, After Winter, a new interview with science fiction and fantasy writer Ruthanna Emrys, author of the Innsmouth Legacy series. The Sound of Cosmic Horror, a new interview with music historian David Huckvale, in which he takes a closer look at Les Baxter's score for the Dunwich Horror. Theatrical trailer, an image gallery, reversible sleeve featuring original and newly commissioned artwork by Luke Priest. Luke, nice work on the new art for this. It is 97 minutes. It is in color. And there you go. Taking off the slipcover, as just mentioned, you have the original artwork the new artwork on the front here, but we'll go ahead and flip that around. And then, of course, everything on the back, per usual with Arrow releases, is the same right there. Let's crack it open. Ooh. Little booklet here. Let's go ahead and flip this around first before we get into that little booklet. Okay, got that flipped around right there. So now when you pop the disc out, you got Dean right there, you got Dean right there. And you got Dean over here. Let's check this out. Well, it's pretty thick, actually. Something behind it too, a little ad. See what you're missing. Discover our collection of finely curated cult entertainment waiting for you on demand at arrowplayer.com. I do recommend it. There's some great stuff on there. Well, okay, not sure what that's all about. Lucas Moody-san. Sounds Scandinavian. All right, checking out this booklet here. We'll just flip through it real quick. Some nice artwork. I think that's the original artwork that's on the, on the front. Contents. The cast and crew. The Dark Psychedelia of the Dunwich Horror by Jack Sargent. Nice shot of Dean there, smoking a cig. Vincent Price. Yeah, I do remember really loving the look of this film. There's something about movies from this time period, you know, that the colors are really rich and the film grain and everything. I mean, that's a big part of the appeal for me, is that it just has that beautiful, you know, kind of nostalgic quality to it. And Dean's looking pretty cool right there. Got some sort of ritual going on right there. Again, I don't remember too much about the movie. It's been probably, I'd say a dozen years or so since I've seen it. So I'm looking forward to popping it on pretty soon here. Nice shot. Further reading. A lot of sacrifice going on in this film, apparently. Some credits and some thanks. And one more nice shot of Dean there. And as you've probably seen, this is a MGM release as well. Cool. Very, very nice little Blu-ray package here from Arrow Video, which is not surprising because they almost always put out quality stuff. So there you go. Get it nice and framed up here, the Dunwich Horror. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you're doing well, and I'll see you next time.